What's up guys, we're back with a brand new video and I'm gonna show you a simple tutorial in Scratch. So first we're gonna go here. Let's see, what's the better color? That's purple or green? I think it's the green one. Okay, we're gonna put it here. And click that. The background. Let's see, what's the prettiest one and the best one? I think the Night City. Yeah, that one's the best, I think. Okay, now we're gonna move on the blocks. So we're gonna go on yellow and put that in here. And below we're gonna move 10 steps. We're gonna put here, but we're gonna have in 7. We're gonna have in 8. Okay, let's go here. And let's go on orange. Here. Like that. And let's try it. Let's see if it works. And it works! Okay, that's a tutorial of Scratch. I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and goodbye.